Choose the right group health insurance policy for your small business. Whether you're in the planning stages of a startup, a new business, or an established company, a conversation about group health insurance for your small business is inevitable. But when should you consider obtaining group health insurance? What are the eligibility requirements, and what are the key factors for choosing the right insurance for your small business? Group health insurance offers many benefits for both your company and your employees. Group health insurance increases your ability to retain high-performing employees while also attracting the best and brightest talent. Group health also enables your employees to quickly receive the medical attention they need, which keeps work disruption due to ailments at a minimum without affecting productivity. Since individual health insurance may leave employees with a monthly bill they are unable to afford, providing insurance allows them to avoid extra healthcare expenses and makes working for your small business the most desirable option. Also, many existing or potential employees might not be able to qualify for individual health insurance due to pre-existing conditions and therefore only look at employers that can offer them health coverage. In either scenario, employees get peace of mind and a boost in morale with the knowledge that your business genuinely cares about their health and well-being. You are eligible for small group health insurance if you employ 2 to 50 people. When you apply for your insurance, expect to fill out an application that lists your employees and, to some degree, medical information on those employees. There are 2 primary requirements for small business group health insurance. Employer contribution. Health insurance companies require that the employer contribute at least 50% of the employee-only premium. Employer participation. Insurance companies require that at least 75% of the eligible employees actually enroll in the health insurance plan offered by the employer. You will want to focus on 3 key factors when selecting the best group health insurance plan for your company. Benefits. Look closely at the details of the various plans. What specifics are covered? What is left out? A few common things you'll want to pay close attention to are co-payments for doctor's office visits, hospital co-insurance percentages, prescription medicine coverage for both generic and brand name medications, and out-of-pocket maximums after which the insurance company pays 100% of the costs. Price on a monthly basis. How does the price for a plan compare to other plans with similar benefits? As your primary goal is to obtain the lowest priced plan with the most benefits, you will need to do some research to evaluate all of your options. Unlike individual insurance, in most cases you won't be able to get free quotes online for group health insurance. You will want to speak with an insurance agent who specializes in small business group health insurance to discuss your specific needs and the options available to you. Providers. The provider networks for the plans you are considering will be another important factor. You will want to review the types of doctors, number of doctors, and the specialties of the doctors in the network. Compare the networks for the various plans, and seek advice from other small business owners who have already acquired insurance. Deductibles. Raising your deductible will lower your premiums, but be careful not to select a deductible that is higher than your business can reasonably afford in the event of an accident. Safety and security. Alarms, GPS tracking, airbags, and parking vehicles in secure locations can also lower premiums. For example, if you park all of your vehicles in a fenced-in lot, many companies will see this as much safer than having employees taking vehicles home. Drivers. The quality of your drivers is one of the main cost factors of your auto insurance for business vehicles. You probably already did a background check on your driver's history during the hiring process. But, if not, expect a thorough review of their DMV records for accidents, DUIs, and other violations. Prior insurance. Depending on the insurance company, you may also see savings by maintaining continuous insurance coverage without any lapse. Paying upfront. Many business auto insurance companies offer a discount if you pay the full amount of your policy all at once, which saves you administration and interest fees. Claims history. Not having a history of accidents and filing claims will also typically lower your rates. The agency is taking a risk on your business, and will generally deem your company a good risk if you have a track record of being safe. Business experience. Some companies that offer auto insurance for business vehicles offer discounts if you've shown your company's viability by being in business for at least 3 years. You can also get discounts if your business has a history of good credit. Investing in driver training. Depending on the insurance company, you may receive a discount by having drivers enroll in a driver safety course. In all cases, you will ultimately save money when you pay for driver safety training because your drivers will likely have fewer accidents, which means fewer claims and better rates. Of course, the type of insurance matters as well. Do you just want to protect your fleet with liability insurance, or do you want to consider collision or comprehensive insurance as well? These are just a few of the many factors that will impact the cost of your auto insurance for business vehicles. Your ultimate goal is to obtain the most coverage while paying the lowest premium, so your next step is meeting with an insurance agent to review your options. If you've started looking into teen car insurance, your child must be approaching that rite of passage when he or she is ready, or at least eager, to get behind the wheel. If so, you've probably found that premiums are higher for teen drivers. These costs are due to the insurance company's risks as, according to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, 16-year-olds get into accidents nearly 6 times more often than drivers between the age of 30 and 59. But that doesn't mean you have to go into debt to afford teen auto insurance. In fact, if you're shopping for teen car insurance, there are many ways to reduce costs. Here are a few. Put your teen on your policy. You will undoubtedly save money by adding your teen driver to your existing auto policy as an additional driver rather than setting up an independent policy. Enroll in a driver's education course. You can often save money on your teen car insurance by demonstrating that your child has completed an approved driver education program. Check out multi-policy discounts. You may be able to lower your coverage if you combine your auto insurance with your homeowner's insurance, and other types of insurance you have with the company. Buy a safe car. It probably goes without saying that you should avoid sports cars when insuring your teen driver. You'll not only rest easier, but also keep your teen car insurance costs as low as possible. Raise your deductibles. Increasing your comprehensive and collision deductibles can lower your premiums and keep you from filing small claims that could raise your rates. Pay for good grades. This one may sound a bit extreme and is certainly a creative approach, but teenagers respond to financial incentives and you save money when their grades are higher. A B average or better can reduce your teen auto insurance premiums by as much as 10%. Shop around. There are several car insurance companies out there, and some offer better teen car insurance rates than others. Take the extra time to get quotes from different companies to ensure you get the most coverage at the best cost. These are all financial issues when considering the many options you have for teen car insurance, but don't forget the basics. Help your teen learn the rules of the road and follow them to the letter by setting a good example. The best way to keep their rates low is for them to keep their driving record clean.